Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I want to take you along with me on a fun few days in NOLA, and I am bringing you along. There will be some parts of the video where I will not be speaking because music will be in the background, and I only captured the footage that I could when I wasn't having the time of my life. Okay, enjoy. When I went back to look at some of the footage, it looks like the only thing we did was eat. But that was definitely one of our goals. The food was amazing. The music even more amazing, and just being around the people and viewing the culture was a very beautiful experience. And that's one of the reasons why we love New Orleans, and we try to indulge in this atmosphere as often as we can, which is pretty much not that often, especially dealing with the pandemic. But we were here for all of the food, the music, and the people. I had to run to the car because it's raining outside. The lights went out in the restaurant. Right when we paid, the lights in the restaurant went out and we were able to get out, but it is raining and our car is parked just a few blocks from the restaurant. So I'm now trying to gather myself and on to the next rainy part of the day. Now it's imperative that I dry my feet off. I do not like wet feet after anything other than a shower or the swimming pool. So that's what I'm gonna do now. We're gonna walk around.
Yeah, everything's great. Can I get some more water now?
Right past the day and dogs ain't ready at night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
It's so relaxing here on the water. We're enjoying ourselves, and I hope that I am capturing some good things for you all, but if not, I'm sorry. Right now we're on the, I believe it's the Creole Queen cruise, where we had brunch, and there's live jazz music. Right now there's a recording while they take a break, and I mean, this is the relaxing moment of the vacation that we needed, because we've been going. So just kind of soak up the moment and enjoy, and I thank you all for tuning in. There may be very little live talking because there's music in the background to most of the places that we go, so I'll just put music over some of the footage and try to talk to you when I can. But I am enjoying time away from work and also getting inspiration for future projects. So that's one other plus that I am enjoying about this vacation, getting inspiration and just being able to recharge. Rain got us yet again, so we are now inside. We're going to warm up with some cappuccino and coffee, and then head on to the next adventure. We just picked up some yummy goodness from a place called Pee-wee's Crab Cakes in New Orleans. I've been seeing it on social media, and we came to get it.
I think these are tours, are they not?